What's going on, crypto investors? It's the crypto machine, Johnny Diamond Hands, talking to you today about vvs.finance. VVS Finance, it says it's a very, very simple DeFi trading for all type of platform. Your gateway to the decentralized finance movement. Take control of your finances and earn sparkly VVS rewards. And they have a learn more button that you can click on. They have yield farming, incentivized type of features to their website, and they boast security and governance. They say you can be a DeFi trader, swap instantly swap tokens with low fees and slippage. Keep your eyes out for new pairs and new token listings. Provide liquidity. You can supply a token pair to receive liquidity LP tokens, collect transaction fees, and farm shiny VVS rewards. Or you can be a miner, VVS miner. Passive income. Crystallize your VVS tokens, staking for a fixed amount to receive even more VVS tokens. Stake and forget. That simple. And then they have, they boast some APRs and APYs down here at the bottom of the screen. They have some type of utility stash coming. This is new. I didn't see this before on the website. They're talking about instituting a VVS union club. The more you put in, the more you get out. That sounds pretty interesting. And they're going to vote on governance, how the token is governed, so on and so forth. So when I go back up to the top, I can go to my dashboard, and it will show me my farms or my mines, depending on what side I click on. This farm right here is based off of Crow and VVS. So it's a Crow VVS LP token that they give you when you put your assets into this particular farm. They give you back VVS, and you can take the VVS and you can use it to put more liquidity into this farm, or you can use it to go into the mines. Over here is a auto VVS. This is a auto compounding yield farm or yield mine in their definition, yield mine, and it's boasting a 886% return on your staked VVS. This is a manual farm where you go in you go in daily and you collect your VVS, and then you turn around and restake it. I just did this as a test to see what kind of yield I would get from it. I think they said so far I've earned $20 off of it. So depending on how much you put in is how much you get in return, of course. They have these little calculator buttons that you can click on. For example, if you were to put in $100 and then you get back this amount a day, 63 cents, $4.51. This is the equivalent of USD based on the VVS token here. 30 days, $20, a year, $897, and in 5 years, they give you a 5-year forecast, $9 million. So, and then this is all dependent on market conditions, daily, the daily fluctuations in the APY or APR, so on and so forth. So you just have to, do your own research. This is not financial advice. You can just come in here and, play with this thing. Based off my balance, in 1 year I'll make $111, and in 5 years I'll make 1.2 million. If everything stays the same as far as the APY and the value of the coin, so on and so forth. Hopefully the value of the coin goes up so your return can go up. But this is my balance here. I want to say it's $12 here. So $12 in 1 year will give me $111. It's still better than any bank would do for you. Off of $12. And then this APY on the auto farm, the auto VVS side of the mine, I want to say I have $33 in this one, and in 1 year it'll give me $299. 5 years, 3.3 million. If you know, if the conditions, I say if the conditions stay perfect. And you can claim these little bounties. They pop up from time to time, and all it is it explains to you that it's whenever you successfully claim the bounty, you're also helping trigger auto compounding for all auto VVS users. The displayed amount does not belong to you until claimed. So the bounty amount is 0.25% of all auto VVS pool pending rewards. And so, you know, you can get into this site, you can play with it, you know, see if you like it. This farm here to me was the highest yield, based off of, you know, $43 US, you know, in Crow and VVS LP tokens. You know, the equivalent in 1 year I'll get back $895, and you know, 5 years, 206 million. So I mean, you just have to go in here, play with it, invest, you know, put your Crow in here. This vvsfinance platform is based off of the Crow token, and the Crow token, when you go to coinmarket.com, you can just type in Crow in the search bar and it'll pull up, you know, Crow right here, and it's 55 cents per token. So, you know, you can do the math on that. And let me see, I was going to harvest this 46,000. And if I click harvest to get this 46,000 VVS out, all I'm going to do is take it back and put it, you know, recompound it, put it back into the mine. But it says the gas fee is 1 Crow, and 1 Crow is 55 cents. So I can just go back, finish this transaction, because I'm going to get back $3.16 in equivalent US dollars. So 55 cents versus 316, you know, it's not going to hurt me, you know. So I farm that. I go up into my MetaMask and I watch the deposit, and you know, and then bam, there it is. So it says your VVS earnings have been sent to your wallet. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to see, it already took it away right here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go back over to the mine, and I'm going to put it in the auto compounder. And the next time I'll go back and I'll just take more Crow and VVS and put it into this LP farm here. Hope you liked the video. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.